Good morning, guys. My name is Danish Rajalingam, and my matrix ID is 10DEP20F1008. Today, I and my friends going to talk about economics.
Hi guys, my name is Anishwa. My metric number is 10DEP20F10335.
Hi guys, my name is Vishnu son of Raman. My metric number is 1080 20F1003.
So, guys, now let me do an introduction and lesson objective about the economics. First is identify common work-related musculoskeletal order. In short form, is MSDS. Second is recognize risk factor associated with work related, identify economic control method. So first, economics is the scientific discipline concerned with understanding of interaction among humans and other elements of a system, and the profession that applies theory, principle, methods and data to design in order to optimize. Third, what is the importance of economics? So first is over oversection leading cause of injuries, most costly, requiring persistent pain may develop in future. Bodily reaction is another leading cause of injuries in workplace. Repetitive motion also within top 10 most common workplace injuries. Common work related MSDS affect the muscles, nerves, blood vessels, ligaments, and tendons. Symptoms are discomfort, pain, numbness, loss of motion, stiff joint, burning, tingling, and throbbing, and paralysis too. Before that, let us look at the common work related about MSDS. So first is the carpal tunnel syndrome, tennis elbow, bursitis, sciatica, and then herniatic disc. And so speak of any others type of disorders that will cause to the workers in industrials. So in this chart, you can see the common work related MSDS about the graph chart. Median days away from work and indecent rate due to injuries and illnesses by event or expo. So the first, you can see the repetitive motion involving micro tasks is the highest rate of missed days. Then next is the highest incident rate is the overexertion and bodily reaction. So that's all from me. Now Mr. Vishnu will talk.
Okay. Risk factors associated with STS. Examples of risk factors include exciting excessive force, lifting heavy objects, pushing or pulling heavy loads, manual pouring materials, maintaining control of equipment or tools, performing same similar tasks repeatedly. Risk factors associated with MSDS: working in awkward posture or same postures for long periods, prolonged kneeling, squatting, leaning over a counter, using a knife with waistband, twisting the torso while lifting, localist pressure into the body part, pressing the body, using the hand as a hammer. Risk factor associated with MSDS: cold temperature in combination with the other risk factors, vibration, whole body and arm, combined exposure to several risk factors, ergonomic control methods, methods of protecting against MSTS, establish ergonomics programs, training, feedback from all levels, conduct job hazard analysis, JHAS, early recognize and reporting of potential MSTS. Examples: engineering controls, workstation design and setup, ergonomically designed tools, ergonomically designed equipment, load, weight, direction.
Okay, thank you, Ishno. Ergonomics control methods. Example of proper work practice is proper lifting techniques, team lift heavy or bulky or work sketch, work rotation, task variety, and increased re- rest breaks. Example of PPE is gripping gloves, knee pads, vibration gloves, thermal glove, and lifting strap, shoulder harness, and lifting braces. And then reaching above the head or shoulders, hazards, working with the ends above head for more than 2 hours per day. Thank you.
So that's all from us, guys. So hope you all understand about our presentation. Thank you very much.
Thank you.